smaller yard, another great trap is this flying flies begun. Enjoy your yard more by spraying this mosquito barrier. It's safe to use around pigs and kids.
Controlling the pH of your soil and containers is very easy, and blueberries do really well growing in containers like these 30-gallon smart pots. Smart pots.
In areas with high populations of codling moth, orchard sanitation and mass trappings may just not be enough. So it's time to pull out the big guns. Sorry, I couldn't get out of. If you have an area where you don't want to water in straight lines, the soaker hose is a great. If you have an area where you don't want to water in straight lines, the hoker hose. To encourage flowering and fruiting, you can use Earth Juice Bloom or Ultra Bloom Plant Fluid. The Victor Flycatcher. No baiting, no vapors, no mess, no stinkiness. This can be hung in your garage, your shop, here. Another great invention. This is a nifty little piece of plastic. Thanks, Lori. You're welcome. If it turns out that your tree is not viable, we're going to ask you to dig it up and carefully shake off the roots and take a